Hi, my name is Maria Thacker. I'm here representing the Coalition of State Bioscience Institutes today. I'm here with Larry Mahan of the BIOTechnology Institute, one of our partners. So Larry, as you may recall, the CSBI, as we call it, was formed back in 2012 here at BIO in alignment with BIO and the BIOTechnology Institute. How has this partnership been for you so far, coming in new this year, learning about it, and having our great meeting on Monday?
Well, the meeting on Monday was really good, and it opened my eyes to the potential of just the entire relationship between the Institute and CSBI. As you know, our mission is to excite, engage, educate the youth, the next leadership in the K-12 system in STEM education, and in particular what we call bio-STEM education. We couldn't do that without the kind of reach that you all have through the extensive multi-state network at CSBI. So for us, it's an invaluable relationship.
Well, we're happy we can partner with you all and bring together over 43 different state affiliates around the nation so we can create a lot more awareness about STEM education, the importance of the industry getting involved and helping develop their future workforce. Now we have a number of programs within CSBI, as you know. One of our first programs that we partner greatly on is under our education hat, and in that we have a couple of programs. One is our STEM Voice Video Competition, this is our second year running that. It was very, very popular this year.
Great.
Yes, and you can view all the STEM Voice videos at our YouTube page online, see all those kids, that 1-minute video saying why STEM is important to middle and high school students. But our other big program that we work and partner together with is the BioGenius Competition. We've been working on that for years, and how's that been for you, the relationship? How's the partnership helps support the promotion and growth of BioGenius, do you think?
Well, I've been a judge. Prior to becoming president, I've been a judge for many years. So the talent in those kids are incredible. Yeah. And the entrepreneurship, and some of them are even forming their own companies and filing their patents. And so, as I said at the keynote, it's well beyond your notion of a science fair. Mm-hmm. So for us, being able to work together, I see what we do as sort of a preamble to the next programs that you have, almost a feeder system, because your focus in entrepreneurship, in workforce, in addition to education, these are our future workforce, these are our future entrepreneurs. So that alignment, I think, of us basically of being able to feed you the next gen leadership in biotechnology is just a wonderful opportunity.
Great, and we really appreciate the partnership. One of our second program focuses is under workforce development, and as you recall, we did a workforce analysis back in 2014, and we're working to reissue that and create another one in 2016. We're starting that process. That data has been really integral to helping us communicate and show nationally what our industry needs and the biosciences are for improving STEM education, creating that workforce, and having that data to show why it's so important for us to have this network within CSBI and these partnerships with organizations like yourself. So do you have anything to say about that?
I've read the report, and in my past life working for the state of Maryland, the issue of workforce and biotechnology is so important. And I think in the past, people thought about it as very siloed jobs. You got educated in one space and that's what you did. And I think what your report pointed out, which is the landscape has changed. It's now the need for a very multidisciplinary educational approach to being that more full-bodied employee in the company, where you may be, if not doing multiple tasks, at least being exposed and being needed to respond at different levels, not just the technician in the lab, not just the business development person. So it's the landscape's definitely changing, and I think the report pointed it out very clearly.
Yes, and we look forward to working on that report and engaging even more companies than we did during the first report, so we can grow that data and make it even better. That leads really well into the last focus area we have, which is entrepreneurship. And like you said, multidisciplinary education is really important. We have a lot of people that go in, they develop a technology, but then they need to know how to run a business. Yeah. So it's really important we also focus on that base as well. Our entrepreneurship committee does workforce webinars. They're working on some of those, and they did some sessions here at BIO as well. But I think one of their big projects was to put together and create partnerships with a few organizations to have research databases that our companies can utilize within the state affiliate network to, look into funding resources. How can they really grow their own companies and their small businesses? So can you talk at all about that?
Well,
the
I
research
think one of
databases?
the things that we did totally new this year that feeds straight into the entrepreneurship effort that you do is we created this new competition called Gene Pool.
Yeah.
And the kids are very good at standing in front of their science posters and telling you about the science. But as you know, there's also a sales aspect to what you do.
You need to know how to give a pitch.
And so we ran a 1-minute Shark Tank-like pitch session where they had to tell us, what they were doing, why was it important, what was their solution. 1 minute, done. And they rose to the occasion. I expected, they might have struggled through that, but we were surprised. So I think we have a lot of young entrepreneurs that are coming back home to the states that are CSBI, that we're looking forward to see what they do, because they clearly showed they have the talent not only to talk about the science, but to pitch the importance to anyone.
Clearly and concisely too, which is really important, as everyone in industry knows.
Yeah.
Well,
apparently we hit the top social media impact on, I think, Monday at Bio.
That's
with
awesome.
The program.
Great, great. So and that's between BioGenius and all of our partnerships. We look forward to that. But is there anything else you want to say about CSBI and the partnership and the network?
I'm really excited, looking forward to the next couple of years as you guys expand your programs, as we can expand with you.
Definitely.
Making, really having that national capability manifest itself in all our programs. And so it'll be great.
Great. We're excited to work with you, of course, and the rest of the team over at the BioTechnology Institute and the rest of our partners nationally and internationally in some cases, like with BioGenius. But I'd just like to close and say we hope everyone out there checks out the CSBI website at csbiinstitutes.org, and also look at us, check out our YouTube page, our Facebook page, and us on Twitter as well at CSB_institutes. All right, thank you again. This is Maria Thacker with the CSBI.
Larry Mahan with the BioTechnology Institute. You can visit us at www.biotechinstitute.org. And who knows, you may have, or your neighbor or your friends may have a future biogenius. So go find them and get them into the program. Thank you.
Help us grow STEM education everywhere. Thank you.